Today, I'll walk you through how to fix MailerLite forms not working. Whether your form won't load, submissions aren't going through, or new subscribers aren't appearing. Hit like and subscribe if this helps, and let's get into it. Start in MailerLite by confirming your form is published and active. Then go to the live form page and submit a test email yourself. This immediately tells you whether the problem is with loading or with submission. Open the form editor and check your required fields, since a misconfigured one can block every submission silently. While you're in settings, also confirm that a success message or redirect URL is properly set. Check which subscriber group the form is connected to and make sure that group still exists and is active. If the form is embedded on a website, grab a fresh copy of the embed code from MailerLite and replace the existing version. Then confirm the code is inserted in the correct location on the page. A partial or misplaced snippet will stop the form from loading entirely. Clear your browser cache and do a hard reload. Then test in a different browser to rule out browser-specific issues. Also test on a phone or tablet to confirm the form works correctly on mobile. Review any custom fields in your form and confirm they still exist in your subscriber settings. Make sure the field names match your MailerLite subscriber fields exactly. If double opt-in is enabled, submit a test sign-up and check your inbox and spam folder to verify the confirmation email is actually being sent. Check visibility settings, display conditions, or targeting rules may be hiding the form from certain visitors. Temporarily disable any recently added website plugins or scripts, since JavaScript conflicts are a top cause of embedded forms breaking. Also inspect your CSS, as custom styles can accidentally hide form fields or buttons. If you're using a MailerLite landing page, confirm the sign-up form is still present and connected. When retesting, use a fresh email each time. Forms often reject duplicate subscribers. And finally, review your CAPTCHA or anti-spam settings, since overly strict filters can silently block real signups. Once you've worked through all of these, you'll find exactly what's causing the issue. With it fixed, your MailerLite form will be reliably collecting subscribers again. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.